Starting off the morning with a perfectly clean Widebody Gtr and a supercharged Mustang over there. But first, we gotta go ahead and get good old cold start. All right, baby pull. So it's very bright and early this morning, so you know what that means. We're gonna go to Cars and Coffee, but first we're gonna go to Starbucks, grab some coffee, and then we're gonna meet up with some of the boys, and then we're all gonna roll in together. But first, I really need some coffee. Also, by the way, I just want to say shout out to my boy Chris for allowing me to borrow his camera. Now, I don't know why the lens or like the zoom is kind of off right now, because I just put on my lens to his body, to his camera. But yeah, I might have to buy a new camera, guys, because I don't know if you guys noticed in a few of the latest videos, like the audio has not been the greatest, and I noticed that it was coming off of the onboard audio or on body audio of the actual camera and not my shotgun mic. I don't know if you guys can see it in the reflection, but yeah, I'm not looking forward to buying another camera, that's for sure.
Does everything look correct so far?
Yes.
Alright, anything else?
That's it.
Okay, 2304.
Thanks. Check this out, guys. Yeah, that's badass. You're a madman. Just leave it like that. Yee. A lot of Supras today. One Supra over there. You got one all the way down there. And you got another white one right over here. Damn. A lot of Supras out today. Well, I like these pink wheels too. Got a lot of right-handers over here. Whew. That thing's immaculate. I like most though is that license plate. I think so far this is my favorite car today. Something about this car, even though it's a Subaru, it just feels like something I would drive. Only because of the carbon with the silver, with the work wheels. One thing I do wish I had was nice seats. Man, this thing is sick. Corvette, everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 Corvettes in one row. Whew. With the Pro Charger. This is the one I want to get, man. Huh? Oh yeah. One day, guys. Whew. Are these Forgiato? Man. Forgiatos with the Willwoods. Damn, bro. Sick. I don't know, man. You could live in this thing.
This thing won't fit in the bed of my truck right now.
Oh, seriously, this can fit in your truck. Damn. Okay, I can't tell. Is this maroon or is this purple? Oh, look, there's Dobermans. Look at that. Nice Dobermans. Very, very tall doggies. I wish I was cool like this guy over here. Got his own stalls to himself. Rhea likes this car. Color? Approved? Approved. Gotta have the dice with it too. But look who decided to pull up right next to me. Brother Taylor. Woo. Big Wang gang all day. Damn, and he got that new FI exhaust with the gold tips. Now this is dope. That is so... No doors too, bro. Damn. That's a vibe right there.
What am I standing on? The bumper?
No,
Oh.
anything within here.
Let's see how good this tube frame is.
You might pick up the car? You can pick up the car.
Stand on it. Even if it breaks, it's only gonna drop like 5 inches. I said stand on it, not deadlift it.
Oh. Can I bounce?
Yeah, you can bounce. It's pretty good, yeah?
Oh. Good.
This is something else, guys. Oh my god, Midnight Purple stands to the max, Z. Jeez. Something about this color, guys. Unbelievable. Nice. Ooh. Gotta stop by over here.
What's up, man?
What's up, Bule? Yee! Rocking that new license plate frame. Oh, that's sick. Yes, sir. Oh, good to see you out here. Gotta take a load of these bad boys over here. Jeez. Oh, I love the Star Wars sunshade. Damn, bruh. R32. That's sick. Brought a shade over here. Probably one of the only few cars you see with actual Nismo wheels, but it's mounted on a Q. That's sick. And you got exterior mounted cooler over here. Another sick car. Damn. And you got a wide body sitting over here. I think this is the rally backer. Jeez, bro. That's so sick. Finishing off the morning, just had some Sushi Bay. Check out this lineup here. Nismo Rex with the TEs. What was that? Oh, is that your new whip?
Small body.
I love the silver on this thing. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's so clean. Double S2K. Stock. Not stock. Miata with the TEs, and of course yours truly. Damn, look at that lineup. And then we got a little 8.6 over there. Bruh, I'm so tired. I don't think it's from the heat, but I think it's from the food. I haven't had Sushi Bay in so long. Like, for those of you guys that's watching today's video, if you guys are not from Hawaii, or for those of you guys that's on Hawaii and never tried Sushi Bay, way cheaper option compared to all the other places, but the food is always good. And now I really want to go to sleep. Oh man, but yeah, it was a super cool turnout today. A lot of variety as usual from Cars and Coffee. It was very hot. Hopefully maybe in the next one or the following one it might be back at Alamana where it's in the shade, but nonetheless I thought it was super cool. Got to see some new stuff, especially like some of the older stuff. You know, you always see like the new school stuff, but for me, like I really like seeing like the older stuff, or like anything that's like one-off or something just completely different. So we got some cool stuff in today. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a nap and then we'll finish today's video. Nanook, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. No? Alright. Anyways, I'm recording this video and it's already Tuesday night. I'm just walking my dog, and Sunday I was already wiped out, guys. Like, I was so wiped out. I literally Kanak attacked, fell asleep, and then I just went straight to work. And then when I came home, I just knocked out again after. So, yeah. How am I gonna end today's video? So I've been really thinking about doing a meet, like hosting a meet sometime this summer, maybe like towards the end of summer. let me know what you guys think. Drop it in the comments if you guys are from Hawaii and want me to like host a meet myself. That's something that I've been really thinking about doing, you know, just to meet with more people and see like, you know, to kind of see who even watches the vlogs. So for today's video, if you guys made it this far, please do me a favor, drop it in the comments. Let me know, should I host a meet here on Oahu? And I know that maybe some of you guys are not from Oahu. Do you guys want to see me host a meet and then showcase some cool cars that, you know, that may come to the meet? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. That's another idea I really want to try do. Maybe it's kind of really hot right now, so maybe like sometime in August. I feel like sometime in the beginning of August, that's something that I want to do, and you know, just show you guys. And that's another video that I'm thinking about doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know, well, I've already started editing today's vlog, and literally as soon as I get back home, I'm just gonna put this bit into the end of today's vlog. But again, you know, I have had some camera difficulties, and now I'm gonna have to source a new camera, maybe like a used camera that has a working microphone jack. So that's one thing that I'm gonna have to figure out as well, because I really like the camera setup that I was using, and even though like I'm like still learning, that's a setup that I really want to move forward with. So it's kind of a bummer that the microphone jack got all messed up, but that's another thing that we're gonna have to figure out, and we're still gonna have to, you know, just work our way around it. I'm literally using my phone to end today's video, so gotta make do with what you got. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, please make sure you guys smash the like button, it'll really help. Drop a comment down below as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and most importantly, stay driven.